We recently put out a hacks video explaining how to boost your CPAP water chamber and machine cleaning routine, which is really important. But we left the mask and the tube cleaning hacks for another video, which is probably even more important since these are the items that are closest to your face and your lungs. Well, this is that video, and it is really important. So stick around for my 5 top hacks for cleaning your mask and tubing. Hi, I'm Ruben from RespShop.com, and we sell and advise on everything CPAP and have done so for the last 16 years. So hop over to our website for all your CPAP needs. Thank you. We do really appreciate your support. Well, as promised, this video is about hacks. It's not just a simple how to clean your equipment that you can get elsewhere on YouTube. If you want to watch videos of beautifully manicured hands gently brushing each and every component of a CPAP mask with a soft toothbrush set to off-the-shelf production music, then hop over to ResMed's channel. They've got you covered. Well, apparently, ResMed say that you're supposed to do that kind of clean every single day. And if it takes that long in the final edit of their video, you can imagine what a chore that would be for real. But have no fear. Here are my top 5 hacks for getting it done better and faster. It's the RespShop way. Hack 1. Don't clean your mask daily. Now whisper it quietly, but the only thing that needs daily attention is the cushion, to make sure that the oils from your skin don't build up and weaken the seal. So just wipe the cushion with a mask wipe, or better yet, give it a spray and wipe with the RespShop CPAP cleanser to remove the oils along with any tiny nasties that might be lurking there. No need to rinse or dry it afterwards. It's safe to press these chemicals against your skin and to inhale, which makes the mask wipe or spray option much faster than using soapy water, then rinsing, then leaving it to air dry. But even that is faster than the full mask massage recommended by ResMed. Hack 2. This hack is all about reducing the time you spend on your weekly full mask clean, which you do need to do, by the way. You can't have pesky bacteria starting a family in the thing that you press against your face every night. That would not be good. For this, get a tub or a bucket, fill it with water, add some mild detergent, then disassemble your mask and fully submerge all of its parts at once. You can then go and do something else like make a coffee or watch RespShop videos. After at least 10 minutes, come back, maybe give them a quick swish, and most of it will be done. All that soaking time will have loosened and removed most of the soiling for you, while you've had time to learn something new about CPAP. That's a win-win. If there are patches of grime on your headgear, you can massage it a bit with your fingers and extra soap, but mostly you can just take them out, rinse them in fresh water, either under a running tap or by dipping them in another tub, and then plopping them on a towel to dry out. Now, if you're pressed for drying time, you can wipe the parts with a microfiber cloth to speed up the drying process. But that sounds like more effort to me, and it's certainly not the hack way. The best bet is to do this deeper cleaning when you first wake up, so that all the parts have had enough time to air dry before you'll need to use them again. Perfect. Hack 3. It's weekly tube cleaning time. Hold both tube ends up and pour some soapy water into the tube bend. Then slosh it back and forth through the whole tube for a minute before tipping the water out. Rinse the tube by running some water through it, and that should do it for the clean. You can use a tube brush once a month if you really want to give it a scrub, but that isn't necessary every time you clean. To dry, it's best to hang it somewhere and make sure it won't develop a kink by hanging it over something broader, like a rolled up towel. Hack 4. Tube drying can be a problem, especially for longer tubes, and it's very important to have it dry before using it, as moisture plus tube ridges equals a nice cozy home for bacteria. But I have a hack for you. If you have an AirSense 11, you can plug in the tube without a mask and then turn the machine on and then off again. Many machines, including the AirSense 11, will continue to blow air for several minutes after being turned off to dry out the tubes for you. And the Transcend Micro has an option as an additional feature too. Now, if your machine doesn't have this feature, no problem. Make sure auto off is turned off, and then plug it in and fire up the machine for a few minutes to blow out the moisture for you. Hack 5. Now this is the mother of all hacks. Let me show you how to do all the previous 4 hacks the RespShop cleanser way. Hack 1. Daily cushion clean done. The mask is now oil free, all the bacteria are dead. See? Here's a before and after petri dish. Hack 2. You still need to wash the soils away from your mask like before, but spray them afterwards too to get rid of the remaining pathogens. Hack 3. No more soils or pathogens in the tube. We want the cleanser to stay in there so we don't rinse it. And there's no particular need to dry the tube really, as all the bacteria are now dead. So we can skip hack 4 altogether. Now, if this cleanser hack seems too good to be true, here's how it works. The cleanser is a RespShop only product that we've been working on for a long time. It makes use of a new production technology that allows for a disinfectant naturally produced by our own body's white blood cells called hypochlorous acid to be incorporated into a cleaning product. This acid is a powerful cleanser and disinfectant, 100 times more powerful than bleach, in fact. And yet, it's safe to inhale, swallow, and is alcohol and fragrance free. To try out this great product, hop over to our website and get a bottle, or buy a few at once to use our bulk pricing options. But even if hack 5 is not your thing right now, the other 4 should make your mask and tube cleaning routine a bit easier. So be sure to subscribe to the channel for more things CPAP, and don't forget, we're on Instagram and Facebook as well, where we post daily tips and special offers. Well, if you now know how to make sure that you're breathing through a clean and pathogen-free mask and tube, that's gonna help you sleep tight. I'll see you next time.